Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite someone in a Zoom meeting. So at first open one of your meetings, whichever you want to join, and then click on the arrow button which is right after the Zoom name. And then here you can see there is a link of invitation and it's written in invite link. Just simply click on it, press and hold, and it will be copied. And now you can share it through your Gmail or through your social media. If you don't want that, then please just share this meeting ID which is written here, or you can just simply share the passcode. Through these options one can join this meeting. So yes, that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye for today.